I don't know. Yeah, okay, nice. Hey, hey. Okay, we should have different IDs, and I saw that you can see the IDs from there. Oh, yeah, nice. Okay, this is cool. You can have different colors. All right, let's put a plastic color. Should it be plastic or more like leather, maybe? It's not exact, but should do the trick. I need details, yeah. No, no, no. Yeah, this one is probably fine. Oh, I can press Command. Yeah, that's it. Nice. Okay, is it leather, really? Let's put the same here. Oh, okay, it's creating like the mask automatically. This is great. This is cool. Then ah, that's nice. Can I create like the same one, but it should be a different version? Oh no, it's adding to the current one. That's a problem. Maybe I can change this one color. Like if I do, I don't know, purple, whatever. And if I send a new one, I did a new one. Oh, nice. This is cool, really cool. So I will put one there. And then we can change the color of this one. I take weeks to make medium complex website, and there's this guy doing. Yeah, we are actually like spending a lot of time on this one because it's new. I don't know about Substance Painter. I'm learning while doing, but it's going pretty fine. Let's change the color of this one to green. Or maybe it's too bright. We will see once imported in the scene. And we need one last. Yeah, like that. Alright, so it's way too clean. Can we just like add dirt? Do we have something like dirt? Rubber, tire, dirt. Fun. Sounds interesting. Yeah, I bet we can do something with that. Then a mask. Subtle scratches. The map might not be good enough. Water drips? Probably not. Nope. Rust ground as always. Yeah, probably. We always end up with this one. Still, we are testing other ones, so it's fine. Okay, I don't know if it's enough. The map might be too small. We'll see, we'll see. Maybe the colors are way too bright. Oh, we have some bright colors. Anyway, at the end we add some like green light. The green light will dim everything, so I think it's fine. Come on. Yeah, I think it should be fine. Oh, we can test anyway. Let's save this one. Oh, really? At Ethic? Oh, nice. Can you tell me your name? Will I remember you? I have like 100 students every year, so might not. Why else? Why else? Yeah, right here. Metallic roughness, 8 bits. Yeah, that one is fine. We need this one. Let's get rid of useless ones. Base color we need. Roughness, I guess. Metallic, probably. Normals, yeah. Let's get rid of this one and this one. Yeah, because right now I'm just feeling the Git repository and it's a mess. I'm gonna get some alerts from GitHub soon. Alright, what do we have? Here's the finder. Oh yes! Vincent Bonneau, yeah. I remember. Where's my finder? There. Why is it like that? Nope. Alright. And we have the 8 map. What the hell? Didn't I ask not to have the 8 map? Why, I did something wrong. When I export. Oh, by the way, there's a shortcut. Let's learn the shortcut. Command Shift E. Oh, great. Like export. Okay. So we have to choose something there. Output templates. Oh, it changed. Oh, I broke it. Oh no, I hope I didn't change the template. Oh no. I did a mess. Can we revert? 4 output maps will be exported. No, we got 6. I really don't know how this one is working. Well, anyway, we can change those. So we don't need the height, we don't need the emissive. Let's try a fresh new export. Okay, that's better. Nice. Yeah, as always, let's put those here. So we have the base color. Oh, we have no metallic. Okay, I'm good with that. That's weird because those are wires, but you can't see like the metallic part. It's okay. Normal. Yeah, I need to use a normal map. Actually, I'm not very sure I need that. And the roughness. All right. That's perfect. Resolution isn't that great, but it's okay. It actually mean that we got it right. Those are actually a bit big. Maybe we can like reduce them anyway. All right, next one. Oh, we are almost done. We need to do that. Then the files, and we are the mag. We did some like bullets and yeah, I think we will use physics for those just to place them. We will do a physics simulation in Blender and let things just settle down and take it as they are, like a snapshot of the animation. Okay, for those it's a bit different because I want to have like a different material from the flat surface and the edges. To do that, I actually don't know exactly. Let's unwrap first. Yeah, maybe. Let's try. separate. Or because we separate them, we might need to redo the unwrap. Do we? Should be fine. So those are wall parts. Walls, let's just call them walls. I need to tweet. Let's do a cool tweet. Oops. Yeah. All right. So, what did I do already? I separated the walls. Oh, by the way, we should merge those, but might want to keep them. Do we really want to? No, it's fine because we saved the substance painter file. Yeah, let's merge them. Not all of them, actually. Yeah, like that. And like that. Yeah. Oh, I did a mistake. Nice. Those ones are already separated. Those ones are fine. I want to redo those ones. With one texture. Okay, this is looking good. Let's move the light. Hey, hey. So yeah, last part. Walls. Oh, we already have a material named walls. All right, that's weird. Yep. Okay, that was this one. I already started doing that. So they all have the same materials named wall, and need to merge those flats one, those parts. Yeah, that's it. And we export. Is the bake still good? Yeah. Wesh. Okay. Did I save this one actually? Yeah, I did. So the walls are quite big. Do we need like 1,000 or 2,000? What did we use for the beams? I think it was 1000. Metallic beams. Yeah, it was 1. Yeah, I guess it's a little bigger. I don't know. Yeah, let's go for 2K. Might regret later. Oh, by the way, OpenGL is better for Blender. So that in a portfolio. If you go for, I don't know, like Unreal Engine, it's DirectX. Because we go through Blender again, it's going to be OpenGL. And anyway, we export from Blender to Three.js using classic GLTF. I'm guessing that normals are handled well. Though I'm not actually sure of that. We go for the metal beams. No, balls. I did some mistake again. Are those the walls? Oh, come on. Walls. Let's go. Okay, those are the walls. We can bake that. Use the meshes. There are so many ways to separate the different parts. It's actually pretty good. You can also like have different materials. You can send your own map with just different colors. It will serve like masks. So it's pretty cool. But for me, it's this one. Alright, so now we can use cool looking material. You know, I will use the same as before. Probably. Let's try not to, but probably. What are those? Oh yeah, it wasn't smart materials, actually. Too bad we don't have smart materials there. For concrete. Why not? Yeah. Yeah, that was the one. Yeah, let's go. And no, it's the opposite. We need this one there and a flat one, not too flat, there. Yeah, perfect. Yeah, it's very PS2 games, but should do the trick. Alright, let's play with it. We are going to mix with how this one is looking. Maybe we can do that only on this part. Yeah, and then we can play with it. When you create a simple shape like a rock, do you need to unwrap it to use Substance Painter? Because when I right click on unwrap, the whole geometry doesn't work. Yes, you will need an unwrap version. Still, you can just ask Substance Painter to do the unwrap. The Blender Smart Unwrap isn't great. It does a pretty decent job, but it's not great. You better not unwrap it. If it's a complex shape like a rock, you send it to Substance, and when you import it in Substance, there is a checkbox to unwrap automatically, and it's much better than Blender. I've never used it. I need to use it because I've heard it's really cool, but I like to unwrap myself, so yeah, I do it myself. Don't worry, I started checking, but I saw it was almost 11, so I needed to how do you say, start streaming. But I will answer you, don't worry. I just have too many messages to answer. So I don't like this one actually. How is this one? Oh, concrete clean, concrete dusty. Oh, let's see where it goes. I'm going to play with the mask, and we are going to hide it. Should have been the opposite actually. Mask with color selection. Oh. Alright. Let's paint. how can we combine masks? That spot, like if I do that, did it work? No, it's not working. Oh, it is. Let's get really complex. If I do another one like restaurant, as always. Okay, that's almost it, but we lose the ID mask. That's a problem. I like what it did there. How can we combine the masks? I really don't know how to do that. Oh, sorry, but yeah, I don't think I will find how to do that. Yeah, I don't think I'll be able to do that. Let's just change the color. Oh, this is really cool. Darker or brighter? Yeah, I like it brighter. I think the base one should be darker. I change the color. Base color. Oh yes, I will. I have so many ideas. Maybe I can give you a glimpse of what I will do next. I don't know if you've seen the... it's a concert from Woodkid for the song Volcano. And there is something in the back, like in the screen. And I want to create that using like a PS4 or Xbox, but I don't have one, controller, and control like a robot with very cool effect. It's a Woodkid Volcano concert. That's the next idea, I think. I have other ideas, I need to think about it. Or maybe just some 3D with like rooms. I don't know. What was I doing? Ah yeah. Changing that because it's a bit too bright. Did we lose this one? Oh no, it's still there. Oh, it's strange. The color is very different. We can desaturate. Not a big fan. It's fine. And we can change this color to something darker. Yeah, I don't want the walls to pop up too much. Maybe we'll change those even more later. Okay, that's cool. We can now paint on it, and that's actually the best part. To do that, first we need to decide on a material. Dark material. I think we will use concrete again. Yeah, grunge one. Again, let's change the scale. Much darker and less color. Quite bumpy, why not? And we're gonna break those walls, as always. Actually, I might need this one. Yeah, because it's flat, it's probably better to paint on this. Maybe not for the brushes, like dynamic brushes. Alright, let's add bullet holes. So cool. I love it. We don't have exactly that effect, but I'm guessing that this is made for metallic. Like if you shoot on metallic with paint over it, and it creates some metalness. But I don't want that because those are concrete walls. Position jitter. Yeah, this is cool. Angle, we don't care. Flow, no. Size, yes. Yeah, that's cool. Alignment, backface culling, size space, alpha, don't know much about those. Stencil. Stencil? What's that? Ah, see? Bullet impact. Yeah, it's metallic. That's no good. That's no good. Should we just remove it? Oh, nope. No. Shiba. Oh, I broke everything. Yeah, I broke it. Shit. That was this one. Oh, come on. It was a mistake. Hole. What was the name? Bullet? Impact? Impact. Come on. Oh, what's that? Oh, that's good. I like that. I lost this one, but I like that too. Alright, let's play with this one. Just some random everywhere. Much bigger. Yeah, that's cool. Can I get back the bullets? Okay, it's working. Okay, it's bullet impact in grayscale. Can we change it? Diffuse, roughness, metallic. Yeah, I won't touch that. I'm gonna break something. Hey, Nibrob. I wanted to use the jitter, add bullet holes, a lot in the size. Yeah, like that. Alright, next one. Let's use the same as we did before so that we have constant effect. It was the broken glass that looks like laser. No, that's not it. We have a laser thing. Yeah, that's it. Yep. We're going to use... Oh, there were so many... Yeah, spread, I think. Spreads faster. Yeah, that's it. Just some small one. Yep, then some big one. What's the size? More spread. I don't know how to change the size of it. Can I just do like right click? Yeah, it's already at the maximum. Size? No. That's weird. Oh, maybe I can just, yeah, change that. Yeah. Alright, that's it. It's It's weird that I cannot change it right here. Oops. Alright, let's add some blood. Oh yeah, search for stain, cat concept. No. Maybe drops. Paint drop. No. What can look like water? Water? Oh yeah, maybe we have something there. Yeah, I want something dripping. Spatter. Ah, spatter. Maybe that's it. Oh no, it's not really it. We found one last time, but I forgot what was the name. I think we could see something falling in the preview. Ah, we have splat. Yeah, we can try this one. Hey, what? Oh, that's interesting. Hey, boy. Puddle. Oh, nice. It's working using like gravity. Really cool. Wow. Hey, medlouraoui. So, was it splat or not? No, I don't think so. I have 2 dogs today. They are fine. Oh, by the way, let's save this. Sorry, forgot that. Walls. So first, we want to be able to see it. So let's add some paint. Too bad we don't have blood. I mean, we can create one, but I don't know how to save new brushes. I will check that later. So steel stained. Which one looks more like blood? This. Yeah. Come on. Maybe not. No. No. So this one is worse. No. I don't like them. Plastic rough. Nope. Plastic matte. Oops. How do we make blood? Nah, this is too bright. Yeah, I think I will use this one anyway. Can change the color. Let's use this one. Can we change the color? Shiny paint. Yeah. Hey, good morning. How many are we? I really need to be able to see. Oh, 40. In the morning. I mean, it's probably not the morning for you. I don't know. So, this is red too. Why? Why is it red? Well, anyway, should be fine. The mask. And we can paint on it. All right. Splat. Yeah, it's working. Look at that. That's so gluck. What's the name? Like horror. It's working pretty well. Can we control this? So we have the wind. Some friction. There's probably some velocity. Hey boy. Ah, Mehdi! Yeah, you saw the plumbus. So we need bigger splat. Let's go. Ugh. That's perfect. Almost. Maybe we need more like wait, we need the tension. No. Elle est où ta copine? Attends. There's one there. Yeah. On the couch. Merci. Je le nettoie. Merci. Allez. Okay. So. It's not working anymore. What did I break? Okay, it's working on the top, not on the bottom. Why? Okay, now it's working. Oh, it depends on the view angle. If I do like this, oh, it sends it. Okay, from the camera. Okay, that's cool. So if we do dots, it should be straight. Okay, that's it. Yeah, too much velocity. I wonder if we can change that. Okay, let's reset this one. The color is way too red. Tiny paint. Yeah, we need something darker. Alright. We can actually write on it. Oh yeah, we can write. With like paint. How can I do that? Maybe I can just duplicate this one. I'm spending a bit more time on those walls because why not? We did like the wires quite fast. The dinosaurs sound like in your course. Oh, Sudo is not here anymore, unfortunately. He's gone. That's why. This is just a dog I keep. Let's change the color. Yeah, I wanted to paint on it. What color should we use? Ah, no. We're going to use some purple. Then we can add that purple. Yeah, don't worry. You could not have known, so it's fine, don't worry. It's been like 2 months and 1 week. We had the black mask. Now I think we can just paint on it. Yeah. Oh, I don't have a USB port. I will do with Bluetooth, but the Bluetooth is very bad with the Wacom I bought. Regret buying it. It's that model. It's trash. Don't buy that. Material is bad. Bluetooth is bad. Don't buy it. Oops. So we can write. Let's write on this one. Please work. Ah, come on. The area is not the right one. Obviously. Why would you do that? Oh, shit. No, that's a bad start. Let's do like caps. Oh no, I don't know how to write it. 3. It's so hard to write. Three.js. Why did I use that? That doesn't look like a brush. Can we use something else? Yeah, they all look like paint anyway, so I think I will have troubles with this one. Oh, it's okay, it's funny. Three.js. Maybe we can add, I don't know, just some random. Maybe not on this face. I don't know what to draw. Yep. Just like that. Alright. Three.js triangle. Should not be that hard. Let me check. It's not hard, but having like the lines might be a bit too hard. No, let's not do that. I will add another one. Duplicate. Just another color to have some variations. Shiny paint. What can we use? Like this. Yeah, good. Oh, maybe not green, because we are going to have green lights. Yeah, but the other one are pretty bad. Yeah, this one might look fine once you shine it with a... with a green light. Okay. Maybe I could sign it. Okay, I can do... Brew. No, there is no room. Too bad. Should have planned it. No. What's this thing on, you know, this show with zombies? Don't go in, dead inside. Don't dead inside. What's the name? Dead inside door. Don't... Okay, don't open dead inside. Yeah, let's do that. Let's do in red. Why not? Let's put it on top, actually. I wonder how to change the environment. Let's change the song. It's way too much. I changed where the lights come from. Oops. No, stay here. Come on. Sometimes Mac just don't want to put this bar on another screen and you don't know why. I probably don't know either. So it was don't open dead inside. Okay, let's go. Oh, you can't write with that. It's so slow. Don't. Open. Dead. Oh. I almost have 1 second offset inside. Alright. Yeah, this music is a bit too much. Let's change that. Problem is that we already heard all the lo-fi song. Eh. Qu'est-ce que tu fais, bonhomme? C'est la balle, ok. Alright, cool. I think it's more than enough. Got some fun. Let's export that. Might be too bright, but we can see that in the end. It's gonna be a dark scene anyway, so I think it's okay. Even if you have bright object, should be fine. What was I doing? Ah, yeah. Exporting. What do we need? We don't need this one. We don't have metal on this one. Actually, might have some metal because of the bullet holes. No, they don't look metallic at all. So no metal, roughness, base color. And yeah, I broke this. Ah yeah, we lost some of those because I deleted them and I didn't thought it was going to change the template. Maybe they are here. We'll check that later anyway. Export. Looks good. Oh, what's that one? Emissive? Oh, I let the emissive. My bad. Do we have everything now? Base, roughness, normal. Yeah, no emissive. We don't need that one. Hey, Siki. Are you a fan of The Witcher games book series? Not a big fan. I'm not into. I mean, the games are really good. I played the beginning of one of the Witchers, but gameplay is a bit clunky, and I'm not a big fan of witches, medieval stuff. So not that much. Still, I think it's a great game and a great show too. Actually, there is like an animate show now, I think. Or was I? Oh yeah. Let's import those. So hard to stream with dogs. Yeah. So, what do we get? Come on. Oh, that's cool. Look at that. Actually, that was maybe not such a good idea to wrote things on it because we are going to duplicate them, move them. So, we'll see. Oh, yeah, okay. Yeah, it's fine. It's cool. It's cool. I like it. All right, we are almost done with the objects. We just need to play with those ones. So, for the furnitures, maybe we should create... merge them all together? No, maybe not. Actually, those are gonna be small anyway, so let's create different one. Maybe that's not such a good idea to have those. I'm gonna do them fast. Should be fun. So furniture, paper, file. Oh, there is paper in the file. Yeah, true. Post-it. Let's start with this one. I want to start with this one. This one should be funny. Ammo. This is actually a mag. Clip, we said. Ammo clip. I don't know. Maybe I should let it there. Mag. Export. Let's do all of them together. So we have this part. Okay, we have two parts. This one is full. This one is fine. Oh, I forgot to split those. Oops. And we join, and we join, and we, oops, join. Should we create only one? Yeah, one material. Gonna call it ammo. We apply this to all of them. It's already unwrapped. Hey, boy. Ayo. Oops. Okay. Boy. I won't stop until those objects are done. Then we can set up the environment using those objects, and then we will do the Rick and Morty references. I mean, another stream. More. More. This should be more than enough. Actually, maybe less. Useful. Okay. Then we can bake those and make sure to have different IDs so that we have different masks. Yeah, I think it's fine. So this one should go quite fast. We need some gold, bronze armor, copper, gold, gold damage. Yeah, perfect. Oops, made a mistake. Like that, like that. Plastic mat, plastic rough. Which one is the best? Maybe this one? Nah. Yep. Look how fast. And for this one, we are going to use some steel paint. Let me check. Oh. Well. Ah, no. That's way too shiny. Gun matte. Yeah, I like it better. We are kind of lacking some precision in the texture. But those are going to be small. I think I will go for it. Ugh. Okay. That was so fast. Ammo. Ammo. Can you make tutorial on orbit camera movement? Like if you do your own version? Because there is the orbit controls class. But I'm guessing that it's not enough. Yeah, he's happy. He's playing almost alone. And the other one is she's an old dog, so she stay in the couch. She's old, she's 9 years old. She is old. Alright, can we use those? I guess. Yeah, the usual. So we need to export. Hey, wait. Hey, wait. No 8, no emissive, maybe some metallic. Yeah, so I will keep that. I don't know why I'm clicking that there. Maybe it's not changing anything. And we need to put that inside the ammo folder. Ammo, I don't know. And we export. Let me see. Yeah, that's nice. It's perfect. Back to Blender. Hey. Yeah, that's a clean metallic. Actually, that's a lot of metal, even on this part and this part. That's weird. Probably a very rough metal. Not that rough. Okay, that's weird. Maybe we'll have too much reflection on the mag. You can see flying toys in the back. Alright, I think it's cool. Moment of truth. Truth, as always. Can't see much because the light is way too far. Oof. Okay, we have 2 light there. Yeah, that's nice. Look at that. Yeah, we're missing some precision, but it's fine. Yeah, maybe I should have gone for more. I was worrying about we are going to have a lot of bullets, but in the end there is only one texture, so if I do things right, should not be a problem. But yeah, I don't know. We'll see. Alright, let's get rid of this one. I don't want it anymore. This one I can destroy it because I'm gonna merge those. And this is the last one. Yay! And we are done with creating all the assets. Actually, I think there is a name for those, like an atlas, maybe? I don't know. I just created some objects. You should be there. Yeah. Yeah, it's cool. Really cool. Alright, let's do a quick one on that. I don't know if we have paper. Come on. Oh. Okay, shortcuts are not working anymore. Hey, what?
It will be your friend, no more than the table you built it on will be.
You want to make a trim sheet for your optimization? What's a trim sheet? It looks so damn good. The precision is fine because the scene is dark. Yeah, it's gonna be very dark. And you're right about that. Rough metal for magazine clip, and the bullet is completely fine. It's a post-apocalyptic scene, so it makes sense. Yeah, true. True. And it's just some details. Impossible to tie up. Non, je joue tout seul. So, sorry. Get easily distracted by dogs. We need the material. It's going to be, let's call it paper. Yeah, just paper. Paper and file. My pleasure. Did you finish it? Yeah, boy. Joue tout seul. Joue tout seul. Alright, so this is good. We have troubles to unwrap it. Yeah, obviously. Yeah, we're wasting so much space. I don't think we have a choice. I'm gonna call it paper. What did I do again? Oh yeah, put it on. Yeah, as always. Alright, nice. I think we should go for a pretty low resolution. Not sure. I'm not going to write anything on the paper. Oh shit. Walk. Paper. Yeah, again, it might be too small, but anyway. So we can put human skin, leather. Let's check the classic materials. Calf skin. Fabric. Zombie bubbed skin. Nope. Leather. I think leather should be fine for the folder. Oh, actually, I need to. I didn't separate them. Ah, no. How did we do that? Oh, yeah. I can just bake them. Get that. ID. Yeah, that's it. Hey, button. Another toy. So, yeah, this one is done. Maybe we'll write something on it. I mean, make some stamps or I don't know. We'll see that later. Concrete clean. No, I'm not gonna put concrete. Come on. Can't we have like a clean one? Doesn't have to be smart material, plastic. Hey, boy. Come on. Not that. Leather. Actually, a small leather. Anyway, we don't have such a great resolution, so... Yeah, I think I will go for this one. Just need the texture and should do the trick. So this was the one. We can change the color to something brighter. Yeah, like that. Let's keep this one dark. Maybe not that bright. Yeah. And can we put a stamp on it? I don't think those are all the stamps available. I think you have like predefined shapes. Oh, that's it. That's it, that's it. Can we have some kind of stamp? Yeah, I'm gonna duplicate this one. So it's these are, yeah, I think I can do that. Yeah. Just duplicate the layers. Then we change the color to red. Like that. And then we can just add a black mask. So which one is it? There. And we are going to draw, I don't know if I put that. Yeah, see, it's working. So we are going to write something that looks like a stamp. Yeah, we have warnings. What can we use? Recycle. Can put, yeah, like a big. So if I use control, bam. Yeah, see? Yeah, that's cool. All right, nice. Hey, put an Evangelion number on it. Too many Evangelion references. This one doesn't work. That's weird. Ugh. Oh, it's not working there. Oh, because it's not on the top. All right. Ah, sorry. Actually, I can't do that because all the papers we have this. Yeah. Ah, too bad. I should have created more of them. Yeah, let's put some stuff like that. So it's control, click, control. It's coffee, it's not blood. All right, we put some lines. Yeah, I said I'm not going to write something, but maybe we can just put some lines. Stitch folder. I think there's a way actually. Oh, we have some dash. Yeah, no, let's not use that. Alright, so if I do a small one, to duplicate it again, there are probably much easier way of doing that, but I don't know them, so let's go for it. Below, and if I do the mask, yeah, that's cool. I have to do that. Okay, it's working. Stroke opacity, let's do much less. More actually. Okay, sleeping. Sorry, what? You have many brushes, and I didn't understand the rest. How he used a silencer? If you know how I mean. A silencer? Animes? Don't think I'm watching any animes. I'm waiting for Evangelion, obviously. Thank you, Amazon. And the signature. Yeah, like that. Let's make it bigger. And now we are going to remove part of it. Yeah, see? Nice. That's actually pretty cool. I like it. All the papers will have the same look, but it's fine. It will be funny. Yeah, it's fine like that. Objects, papers, papers. Paper are singular. Oh, it's fine, it's fine. Paper. Yeah, it's oh yeah, that we all have the same thing. It's okay. Export, so that was the shortcut, yeah. Paper, singular, I know. We don't need emissive, we don't need the height. Should we keep the normal? Maybe, will be so, but let's keep this. The roughness, probably same thing, but let's keep it. It's a pretty low texture, so it should be fine. Clicking on that, but I don't think it's changing anything. Yeah, boy. Oh, it's pushing my leg. Alright, that's cool. Here we go again. Last one, at least for those objects. Alright. Well, that's perfect. Yeah, it's cool. I like it. Maybe it's too not rough enough because it's leather. True. I use a leather material, but it's fine. It's fine, it's fine. Which is the same as watching them via YouTube. On Twitch? Twitch is checking my whole data. Really? I think you will get the same result. You can change the quality of the stream right below the player. And I think you will get quite the same bit bitrate, so I will put everything on YouTube. I'm actually working right now on that, and I will put everything on YouTube, but I think I will wait for the project to be done before putting everything on YouTube. And people ask me to put the whole thing, so I will do both. You will have the whole replay, even if it's 20 hours of video, and a time-lapse version. I don't know, maybe with a music, and you can see like the whole project in 1 hour. I think I will do that. But yeah, it will be on YouTube. Si tu les as fait, même everyone, you have many brushes. I don't know, I didn't create any of those brushes. I'm just discovering Substance Painter, so I just use the brushes you can find there. They are all here, available, and it's so great. Oh, look at that. Like crystal. Yeah, you have so many brushes, it's crazy. Probably even too much. Not so many materials. There's a lot, but not so many. I'm guessing you can pay for some more or something like that. Environment. Oh, we can change the environment. Can we tweak like the light? I don't want to click on it. I might break something. Let's save. It's working. Look at that. Yeah, this way we have the greenish result. That's cool. Let's use a green one. No, let's use the default one so that we have the same. Was it the default one? I don't know. I'm gonna close it without saving. Should be fine. Well, I think we are done for the objects. The idea now is that we are going to set up everything on the scene. We should have waited to have the Rick and Morty references, like all the objects, because there are going to be some pretty big objects like the car. The car might be the biggest actually. But still, I want to create the scene and have something running on WebGL, so we will do that maybe today, maybe later today, maybe another day. Alright, cool. You will stream for 20 hours as well? No, that's it. I'm doing like between 2 hours, maximum 3 hours, and at the end I will put all the parts together. Don't worry, I'm downloading them because I know that Twitch don't keep them for long. And it's the same as watching them as yeah, that's the idea. Yeah, but yeah, Twitch will destroy those videos in something like 15 days. Maybe, I don't know yet, it will depend on the dogs because they need a lot of attention, and I also need to work on, I just received some messages for some modification on a professional project, so I might be busy. I don't know yet. Follow me on Twitch and you should receive the notification. Alright, thank you everyone. See you maybe later today or tomorrow. Bye bye.